Fred Kummer.
I'm Amardeep.
And this is our project. It's the Goodnight Pi. So it's power control for the Raspberry Pi using an 18 mega to control shutting it off and turning it back on at timed intervals or based on interrupts, so you can save power in applications that don't need to be on all the time for the Raspberry Pi. So we've got an 18 mega coprocessor, a real-time clock, and two different interrupt sources, which can be anything, but in our case they're a button and a photoresistor that turn it on when there's a lot of light. And then we've also got a GUI to help configure it.
So this is the GUI, and we can change the time intervals over here, and also do ping so that we can know that the communications is up and ready. And now we can probably show the demo.
Yeah. So yeah, we can talk a little more as the demo runs too. It takes a while. So we're gonna flip it from configuration mode to running mode, and so let's kind of shut it down. As you can see over here, it just turned off. And now, once it turns fully off, the 18 mega is going to use the R2C to count out 60 seconds. And after those 60 seconds elapse, it'll turn it back on, run a program to measure the distance to that HP left or just up over there, and then shut itself back down and keep repeating the cycle. And if an interrupt were to come in at that time, it would wake up and perform the action it needs to perform for an interrupt, because you can map different scripts to different events.
We're also doing the interrupt with the button. I don't know if I pressed it. Did I press it?
Oh yeah, okay, so there, I woke up on an interrupt. So yeah, you can see it's turned back on. And then you gotta go through the whole boot sequence. A little bit slow, but now it's gonna turn on, run the script that is attached to interrupt 0 in the Pi, and then shut itself back down to conserve power again until another interrupt or a timer goes off. So it'll take a second to run, and then it'll turn itself back off automatically.
And what's the script currently running?
The script currently running is measuring the distance with an ultrasonic sensor and storing it in a text file, so for later reference.
It used to happen quickly when we were doing it before.
Yeah.
It's the switch. Okay.
Well,
Yeah.
oh, there it goes. Okay, so the switch is a little loose. It's the danger of breadboards, but yeah, there you go. So that's what the cycles would look like. It shut itself back down, and now it'll wait for the time interval, or if another interrupt comes in, like a button press or light comes in. So, it would help you save power and like internal applications on a battery. So, yeah, that's our project.
Very good, thanks.